Hey guys, Brandon here, and welcome to Luigi's Mansion 3 Hurricane Part 8.
He just... Oh, okay, Alright, well, in the previous game, he put a mice, and birds, and bats in his bag, and now it's a thing.
Things! I don't know why he did this. I don't know why EGAD did this.
Okay.
Okay.
What? You can't put chlorine in... You can't put...
You can't put chemicals in there. It'll cause a chain reaction, and it'll explode.
Put chemicals in the... That will explode! EGAD, what did you make?
He made a poltergeist abomination.
Is it flammable? Is it a... Okay, guys. If you're ever in this game, and you have...
I'm actually making a Luigi's Mansion 3 series, so tell me what I should do.
Have a poltergeist. Remember, read the instructions before you use it.
Okay, I'll pull up an instruction book and read it.
Or strangle EGAD and make him and force him to tell you the instructions before you use the poltergeist.
I would actually shake him.
That gem is just laughing at me. It's laughing at me.
It's actually mocking you.
What is with Luigi getting surprised? Okay, I see you, Hole. Aha! So they're bringing they're bringing back... Aw, that poor rat. Okay, so they're bringing, like, elements from Dark Moon into the game. Okay, that's neat. I like it.
Oh my. Uh-oh.
Oh my. Oh no. I am scared of ghosts. Ooh, oh yeah. Uh-huh. I see right through you, game. That ain't no ordinary picture frame.
He doesn't want to tell you yet.
Something tells me that another new tool, old tool from Dark Moon, makes a return. I'm not even gonna say it, but you all know what I'm thinking.
Sweet.
Oh, yeah.
I like how he's like, I used my noggin. Oh, that's okay, so we can actually do this. What? Vending machines? That's nice. I can do stuff without EGAD pestering me every 5 minutes.
He gets a pass.
Thanks, game.
Won't leave me be. I'll ignore him.
It would be nice if vending machines can actually give you coins. And speaking of coins, Bing, 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 bing.
Luigi's face.
Oh my god. Oh god. Luigi. You need to relax. I like how... Oh. Wow, his face does express even more. That's effort right there.
That's effort.
Don't you just want to take your copy of your 3DS of the Luigi's Mansion and just place it on the ground and just stomp it repeatedly?
Okay.
Oh god. I like the sneezing. Oh, I'm not gonna get used to this. Okay, so the new feature of that whatever that move was, I'm totally not gonna get used to doing that. And did I just see another gem? The little square thing on top?
So dark and quiet.
My god, so many people. This is what happens when you add so many people on your Switch. I see another gem. Can I get that?
We made it to the lobby.
Doesn't look like I can. Oh, a candle. Flammable. Question.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and see y'all later. Bye.